Thank you for booking an appointment with Drayton Valley Quick Lane Tire and Auto Center. We're excited for the opportunity to help you with your vehicle. Here's what to expect when you arrive. If you're dropping off your vehicle after hours, you'll find the key drop-off box located on the left-hand side of the drive-thru entrance. There are envelopes provided where you can leave instructions, your contact information, and vehicle details. Please note our front gates are locked overnight. Should you choose this option, please leave your vehicle parked in front of the gate along the road. And your service advisor will be in touch with you to confirm appointment details and provide updates throughout the day. If you've booked our free pickup and delivery service, a driver will be arriving at your scheduled time to pick up the vehicle. You'll hear from your service advisor throughout the day with updates to coordinate drop-off time and location, as well as process your payment. If you're dropping the vehicle off in person, please park out front of the building and come into our quick lane waiting room. To help make the check-in process quick and easy, have your vehicle details including mileage and VIN ready. They can be found conveniently on your FordPass app. Remember, your appointment time is booked with your service advisor, and not necessarily the time your vehicle will be with the technician. At this time, we'll discuss the appointment, confirm any outstanding details, and expectations for pickup. If you've requested a shuttle service, your advisor will assist you accordingly. Let your service advisor know if you're planning to wait for your vehicle, and they'll do their best to expedite your appointment. Enjoy our customer waiting area and help yourself to our complimentary snacks and drinks. You will be advised of any unexpected changes to your appointment or repairs found that require your attention immediately. In the event you have changes or require additional assistance, you can reach your service advisor via text message, email, or by phone. When your appointment is complete, your service advisor will review the work order and multi-point inspection and answer any questions you may have. To further ensure everything is completed to your satisfaction, within the next few days you'll receive a phone call or email from our customer relations team asking about your experience and addressing any outstanding questions. Their goal is to ensure you are completely satisfied with your appointment. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to taking great care of you.